Okay, here it is, November 14th, 2010. Couldn't have a nicer day for the first running of the annual Bumpo Triathlon. So we're here with all the gear that we need, a bike and a kayak, and about ready to set off on the first leg. We'll see you later. And a quick look back at the launch. Back there someplace in the sunshine. We've got a nice helping breeze, freshening a bit from the south today, so that'll be a pleasure on the paddle portion. See you later. And here we are about, well, maybe almost a mile out. Kingfisher Tower looming off there in the distance, and just getting a little view of the star field from here. And I'm guessing that out there may be 3 Mile Point, so we got a ways to go. Back in a bit. Boy, you can probably hear the wind roaring out here. It's hey, the wave surfing is good, but it's a little tough keeping the boat on track. Making good time though. So here's our first stopover point. I might go in there and catch a little snack, but anyway, there's Kingfisher Tower. We're just drifting by, and we're turning around, looking over towards 3 Mile Point over there. So I'd say we're 2 miles out, just about, making pretty good time. Yeah, here we are, tucked into the kind of the wind shadow of Kingfisher Tower. I'll give you a look up top here. We're holding steady, pretty nice. But I wanted to just give you a look at some of these rollers coming in here. I don't know if you hold it down by the water, get a good effect there maybe. Anyway, we're out of the wind and we're holding still, so it's a break time. Hey, later. Here we go, drifting quickly past 3 Mile Point. Check out the flag up here. It's really ripping. Maybe I can zoom in. Yes, I can. There, check out that flag. This was dead calm when I left Bumpo about, I don't know, hour and a half ago, whatever it was. Shows you how this lake can change. Well, we've been riding the calm water for a while up the west side. You know, we're across from that overnight camp, well, it used to be anyway, so a little worried about going out there alone in a boat, you know. Here's a 5 Mile Point, and the Bumpo willow tree is out there looming in the distance, so I expect we'll be in there in about 20 minutes. Alright, here we are on the beach at Bumpo. And, oh, there's the old bike, waiting to get a ride. Boy, the wind is roaring out here now, so it's going to be headwind all the way into Seatown. See you there. Well, here we are, back to the dock, and with any luck, my car is still here, and we will have done it, and then we go deal with the other crises of the day, which is, Jennifer is got way over her head right now, having a bad day, so gotta go back and see what I can do to help her out. Good luck on that. Okay. Good ride, good day. Alright, here we are at the final leg of the Bumpo Triathlon, the first annual. We're at the final leg, and there is nothing at all good about this, but you gotta do it. If you want to win, you gotta do it, man. Let's see. Just get her done! Man, oh man.